I'm heading the customer marketing and marketing planning team at Office Depot Europe. The biggest challenge in my job today is keeping up with the pace of change. Things are changing so quickly. I have to make sure I keep up with the change within marketing campaigns, but we also need to keep up with the change in terms of having the right people in place. The MonsterStudio app has significantly changed the way that we're doing recruiting and has made my life so much easier. I spend a lot less time on writing job descriptions because together with my recruiting team, we can just go create a video easily within the app and post it online. So I have a lot less time spent on actual administration. The MonsterStudio app has not only changed our life here at Office Depot, I think it's significantly changed the life of potential employees. They don't see a boring job description anymore. They see us, they see me, so they get a glimpse of who I am, how I am, at the culture which we have here, and they don't need to read through, boring bullet points of what this job entails, but they can hear me talking about it. So I think this is a huge step into the future. The app was really easy to use. I think we pretty much just downloaded it on our phones, did the installation, and pretty much we were ready to go. We could upload some of the scripts, which made it really easy for me as the hiring manager because I could use the teleprompter while somebody else was doing the filming. And then afterwards, within the app, we could do all the editing of the video, we could overlay the text, and because it's one digital environment, we could just easily upload it, and we were live with the video. It was super easy. The MonsterStudios app has really helped us put the time of post and pray in the past and move into the digital future. It just made our life so much easier. The response from the target audience was incredible. I mean, we were literally sitting behind our screens, watching the amount of views go up by the second. I think the future in recruitment is video. The MonsterStudio app is easy. There's actually not much more to say about it. It was easy when I used it for the first time. It is self-explanatory. Whenever I want to use it, I just turn it on and I'm ready to go. And that's it.